So one peaceful afternoon like that, I was generally minding my own business when a message popped up on my WhatsApp. It was from one guy, my classmate, but from another department. Next thing I see, good afternoon, chief. The moment somebody that doesn't know your family background calls you chief, just know say person don't cast you for stress. I reply, yes, good afternoon. He goes, Alpha chief, I heard you do projects. Please, can you help me do a project for my group? Me feeling like Elon Musk of mechatronics engineering. I said, of course, I'm always active. What would you have me build? Okay, I want a smart fan. I pause. A what? A smart fan. Smart. As how? Explain a bit. The guy cleared truth like person wey wan present seminar with inconsistent slides. When you enter the room, it should sense you and turn on by itself. It should sense the room temperature. If it's too cold, it should go off. If it's too hot, it should come on. It should also check room humidity. And if it's too low, it should trigger the humidifier to come on and humidify the room. Okay, is that all, sir? For now, yes. Is there any other information I should know about? Yes. Alright, go on. The fan. What will happen to the fan? You will build it from scratch, oh. Yes, you build it from scratch. Sorry, we will build it from scratch. We. Who be we? Our course lecturer. He wants everything locally built and locally sourced. No fancy stuff. As how now? God I beg you. Yes, so please help us. We are begging God on your behalf. At that point, I looked at myself. Wait, since when did I start constructing standing fan from scratch? I don't even know when. Don't worry, I will do it. Jumped out of my mouth. Next thing, I prepared quotation, something reasonable like 190k, and sent to them. In my mind, I thought this project is stressful. I'm building a whole standing fan from scratch. These people will just agree what I've given them. After all, I'm basically saving their lives. My brother, I was wrong. They priced it. Please, we are only 3 in our group. Where do you expect us to see that kind of money from? Did I send on a message? I explained calmly. What I gave you guys is a fair deal. The project isn't simple. Once your client starts calling you boss, just know say they want price your experience and professionalism. Boss, I beg reduce for us now. You're a chairman, you're a CEO, MD, Commander-in-Chief of Innovations. After they exhausted all the available titles in CAC registration, I reduced it and we settled for another ridiculous man-hungry price like that. And really they touched me that period. They paid an upfront payment of 110k. I sharply rushed go market. I bought materials. Work started though. First 3 nights, I was building standing fan frame. I was encountering issues, but my ingenuity spirit was still ginger. As I dey cut this one, glue that one, connect this pipe, fold this metal, body dey sweet me. Project they move like pure water for gutter during rainy season. Fast and smooth. Before I knew it, 80% of the body structure was set. Now, hardware. If you've ever done hardware or electronics, you know that this particular part is not straight, it is not curved, it is not even zigzag, it is spiritual. It is full of miseries the eyes cannot see and the mind cannot comprehend. But since fabrication went smoothly, I entered hardware with energy like soldier going for parade. Connected Arduino, uploaded the code, upload successful. Nice. Now, sensors and actuators. Little did I know that somewhere in the spiritual realm, my enemies were trying to connect to my hotspot. Connected LCD for display, atomizer for humidifier, PRO sensor for motion, buzzer for feedback, temperature sensors, all correct connections, so textbook accurate, no faults. But the mysteries. The humidifier got burnt upon powering the system. LCD started displaying hero. How did they pronounce this thing? Instead of temperature, everywhere first blur. At this point, I was 1 week deep into this project. My progress suddenly started slowing down like